Yes. Again, I just want to give you one more example. I should have maybe quizzed you about this, but I didn't. I just want to move on as quickly as I could. Again, we have a noun, and then we say the, so it's of this noun. It's in this case, it's of China, and then we can say 中国的妈妈. And so now it's not China, it's Chinese mom. So we're turning everything into everything of China. So Chinese mom, it's a mom of China. In the same way now, we want to say a spoon of white. It's not a white of spoon, it's a spoon that is white. So it's a spoon, that's what we're talking about. It's not white we're talking about. We're talking about this noun, which is spoon. So spoon then, like we said with 中国, I'll write the sentence again, 中国的妈妈. Mama was at the end because it belongs to 中国的. In this case, we're going to have by, because it belongs to white simply. 百的, and then 勺子. That's not it. This is it. 百的勺子, and that is beautiful. So it's a 勺子 that belongs. It's of white. And if we actually look now, I want you to specifically write this sentence because I found it quite funny. Because if we look at it, we have white here, and then we have white at the beginning of this character. And then at the end of this character, we have a spoon. And then after the spoon, we have 勺子, which is the character for spoon. So if we forget what the character white spoon looks like, the character possessive particle 的 looks like, we can just repeat the phrase 百的勺子, or just tell ourselves a white spoon, a white spoon, a white spoon. And then hopefully we'll remember what it looks like. Beautiful. You've come this far now. You've come a very, very long way, probably past the most difficult point as well, of understanding that the doesn't only mean s, but it means of something as well, as in turning nouns into categories, into adjectives. And so if you've actually understood it until this point, that's very impressive. And the rest of it should be fairly easy. So if you actually understand this, you should also understand that we use this 的 every time we describe someone. So we can say, oh, beautiful person. And then we know all the words to say that. So what I want you to do now is I want you to tell me how you would say, we can add ego in the beginning because that's really simple. One, and then I want you to say beautiful, beautiful Chinese. We can say beautiful Chinese person as well if we'd like that. 一个 beautiful Chinese person. What would that be in Chinese completely now? Come on.